Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are good. So here the first letter name is alif. Alif. Bay. 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 Pay. 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 Te. Not ta, it's ta. Te. Te. Not te, it's te. Say. 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 It is jeem. 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 Che. 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 Hey. 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 From throat. Hey. It is daal, not dal. Daal. Daal. And it is daal, not da. It's da. Daal. It is zaal. Zaal. Re. 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 It is not re. Le. 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 Ze. 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 It is ze. 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 Seen. Small. Seen. Seen. It's sha. Sheen. 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 It's swad. 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 Its name is zwad. 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 It's toy, not toy. It's toy. Toy. It's zoe. 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 It's from your throat. Ain. 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 It's from your throat. Ghain. 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 It is fe, not pay. It's only fe. Fe. It is qaaf, not kaaf. Qaaf. Qaaf. It's simple kaaf. 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 It's simply gaaf. 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 It is laam. Laam. It is laam. It is meem. 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 It is noon. Again noon. It's very simple. Wow. 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 It is choti hai. It means smaller hai. Choti hai. It is simply do chashmi hai. Do chashmi hai. It is noon ghunna, without dot or without point. Noon ghunna. It is Hamzah. Hamzah. It is simply symbol of Hamzah comes upon ye, and it is choti ye, or you can say smaller ye. Ye. And it is smaller, not smaller, badi ye means bigger ye, and badi ye again badi ye. So guys, for more please check the playlist link given in the video description and learn how to make or how to write Urdu words. Please comment, subscribe, like, share. Okay, bye bye, take care, thanks for watching.